All right, what is going on, guys? Caleb here with Oxide Motor Club, and today we got Cameron. So, check this out. We got some big news here. So, I decided to put out in the main group that we needed a sponsor car, truck, and motorcycle, which a lot of you guys haven't decided to participate in, except for Cameron, because, you know, we love him.
Exactly.
But for the truck, we have his Ram 2500, and we did put out, well, he put on a special thing for the truck that he picked up at the nearest junkyard.
I did.
Oh.
It's temporary.
It's temporary for the moment, but I mean, either way, it looks all right. So we'll probably show you guys here real quick, huh? Let's give that a go. So he picked up the side steps, which there is one on the other side, but not to mention the side steps, they're all right, you know, they're temporary. But guys, remember how big that goddamn pipe was?
Kind of shortened up.
It's finally shortened. Now it's not going to hit the damn curb if you decide to go over a curb.
Yeah, it's loud.
Oh yeah, it's definitely loud. It is definitely loud. And there's the other side step. Now, obviously, it helps to climb up in there. You know, you don't have to put that much force down onto it.
They're temporary. I got to get a middle bracket welded onto them so they're more stable.
Yeah.
But right now, it really does help.
Oh yeah, for sure. And I mean, I just kind of like the way that it looks for right now. You know what I mean? I mean, it's not bad.
Definitely gives it a different look.
Definitely. You know, yeah, like I said though, I like it. I like it. It's something easy. It's something, it works, you know. I have no issue climbing up into the back seat now. We're good.
And I got the handle fixed on the driver's side.
Oh yeah. The handle was a little loose. That was a little interesting. But you know, what would you think about starting it and giving it a new sound for the viewers, real quick? Let's give it a quick sound off. Definitely a lot louder. And you're puffing a little bit of smoke.
That's good.
Yeah. Overall, I mean, it's definitely a wonderful truck. I mean, hell, you got your family in there right now.
Yeah, I got the fan in there right now. I have decided to take the majority of the stickers off.
Yeah, kind of had to help you out with that one. Yeah.
Stupid stuff. Prius propellant. I don't know if that one's gonna stay. I really don't.
Which one? This one just right here on the tailgate, or the one up there? Both.
Rough country. I don't even know why there's a rough country on there. I don't think it's a rough country lift, so that's gonna come off. The only one that's gonna stay on there is my uncle's sticker and the big ass Cummins.
Yeah. Which, I mean, it's not that bad. I mean, you know, it had all.
We do have one for the window. And it hopefully we'll be here Friday. And because I want to do the main sponsor truck, it's going to say Oxide Motor Club on the front.
Yep. So basically, he's just gonna get a window banner for the front of the truck here. It's gonna be in the font of Hot Rod Magazine.
Yeah. Hot Rod Magazine.
Now, if you guys don't know what that looks like, I will insert the image right here. And yeah, I mean, overall, right now, it's definitely a good working truck. I mean, you're dailying the fucker, so
Yeah. It has to be working.
oh yeah.
There's a little noise though, but it's suspension.
It's a little noise. You know, it's coming from just right over here on the passenger rear. It said, yeah.
It sounds like this. Just
It does kind of sound like that though, but it's more coming from like right in this area here, just like right here.
yeah.
It's weird.
It's dirty. It needs a bath.
And dirtied her up again. That's all right.
Nice detailed bath.
Yeah, we definitely got to get you hooked up with something. Other than that, though, I like it. You know, it's oh yeah, it's definitely gonna be fun. My main thing is show truck.
Exactly. I gotta head up to Perfection Wheels in Bloomington. New wheels will be coming next year, tax time, because I am going all out on it.
Now, let me also put this out there for the viewers. I will be in Chicago a lot more because, you know, college and all that, but I will be coming back down here quite a bit more as well.
We'll see who takes control down here.
Oh, yeah.
We'll keep it going.
Hey, the legacy will never die.
You gotta have one here and one in Chicago.
Hey, man, we're going to have, hey, one all over the U.S. What you mean? Big cities only. But yeah, so it's going to be the sponsor truck. We're going to pop off a few of those stickers, except for the main ones, like we said. The side steps are temporary for the moment being. The pipe, probably also temporary for the moment being.
Yeah, that's temporary. I'm actually looking to replace that hopefully next week.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to put my stack on. So
It definitely is a little windy out now, so. Yeah. But, yeah, it is. But as you guys can kind of tell here, we're just sitting around in the east side parking lot. Definitely kind of a nice day out, other than the fact that the storms are probably coming in soon. But, you know, there's no more water park. Yeah, they took that out. You know, I'm a little depressed because, like, we're not going back. But, no.
knees right on the line.
Yeah, it definitely does.
All that flax.
All that shit. Shit life. Oh, well, as you can tell here, though, he's got the temp plate on it, you know.
Ready to go, all legal.
Oh, yeah. It's all now legal
Yeah.
compared to what it was before, not going to lie to you guys, but was not.
Running on old cotton plates.
Yeah, well, definitely not legal. But, yeah, it's definitely getting there. I mean, obviously, we just got it. And, you know, it's...
Yeah, I want to do more lights. I do have the actual rock lights, no off brand on all four sides. Does have lights in the grill. I haven't found the other ones yet, but I know there's a lot more.
Right.
But I will be replacing the ones in the grill so it can match with those lights. Possibly doing lights underneath all the way around. Probably not.
Right.
Probably looks a little too much. I am taking the headlights apart. When I do figure it out more, I'm getting the dark purple halo line. Interchanging the top cab lights because I don't like the yellow. I think it looks stupid. I might interchange those because you can do colors on those, I'm pretty sure, so I'm gonna look into it more. I'm gonna do the dark purple with the tan, or the tinted ones, so it's a little more crispy.
Hell yeah. So basically, just to give it to you guys in a simple form here, this is going to be one of Peoria's show trucks now. I'm going to be representing the area, representing the channel, and we get to put out more content with this
Exactly.
for you guys.
There'll be a lot more done, like axle suspension, like in time. There's a $5,000 suspension kit I want. It's an airlift, and it's going to make it a lot higher than what it is now, but I'll be able to lower it.
Right.
So it'll look like this when it's lowered, but up a little higher.
Right.
Maybe squat it once,
Squat.
just to be that douche.
Squatted trucks
But-
give me AIDS.
Yeah. But axles are going to get replaced. Drive shaft's going to get replaced and be upgraded. The motor's going to be rebuilt
Kinda needs it.
next year because I want to be on the safe side. The truck does have a lot of miles on it, but I want to be able to do burnouts and just have a nasty tune on it when I feel like it. But got to get the motor rebuilt, tune, new tires before winter this year. These are going to be the winter rims, and then I'll have a pair of the summer rims so I can run those. It's going to get nice and pretty dope.
Oh yeah, it's going to be one hell of a fun truck, man.
It is.
Yeah, you guys will definitely be able to see a lot more of this on the channel, and
channel, TikTok,
Yeah.
whatever, all of it.
Hell yeah.
It's gonna look nice. When it's fully 100% done, it's gonna be not a daily anymore.
Hell no. You're gonna need a new daily after that.
What are you talking about? I still got the Miata.
That's true. That's true.
That'll probably be the daily. This would just be the one car that we took out of the family because she's getting rid of her car
Yeah.
for an SUV. Figure it all out.
You know, we got something big happening here. Yeah. You know, like I said though, for you guys, we're gonna be putting out more content with the truck as time goes. I will be coming back down from college from Chicago to come back down and visit up with people, make sure everything's running all right. So, yeah, you know, it might be a little difficult, but we'll manage.
Exactly.
We'll make something work.
We always do.
Yep. You guys might even have to come up.
Life rules.
Well, hey, you guys might need to come up for Chrome and Coffee.
I might not bring this though.
Supercars
until it's rebuilt.
Supercars and hypercars.
Oh yeah, no, definitely not bringing this.
Well, answer.
I don't know yet.
And we'll figure something out.
Yeah.
But figured we fill you guys in with some information on it real quick. You know, it is definitely a beautiful looking truck for 300 and some thousand miles. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
You know, it definitely just needs a little bit of work done to it. We'll make it SEMA worthy.
Hopefully one day. It's my dream, man.
Hell yeah.
That's my dream.
And you know, these things will run forever, so I mean, we're good. We got plenty of time.
Exactly. Take care of them. We'll take care of you.
Exactly. All right.
I got one quote. Stay boosted, boy.
Oh shit. Like this video and you want more updates like this, be sure to hit that like button, and if you're new, subscribe. If you want more videos again like this, be sure to slam that notification bell, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Have a wonderful day.